Socializing 67. I had a thought which I wanted to share. It is important to note that one should react correctly whenever their advice is not acted upon. When the person seeking advice chooses an unlawful decision which contradicts the advice given to them, the advisor should show dislike towards their choice, as this is a branch of faith. In fact, disliking something for the sake of Allah, the Exalted, is an aspect of perfecting one's faith, according to a narration found in Sunan Abu Dawood, number 4681. But even then, they must stay within the limits of Islam when showing their dislike. If the choices are between two lawful options, and their advice is not acted upon, then they should not become annoyed at the one seeking advice, as they chose a lawful choice. They should instead respect their decision, and not harbor any ill feelings for them, nor outwardly show any signs of annoyance, such as telling them they told them so, if their decision does not work out for them. People are not angels, they will make mistakes, so it is best to be kind to others, even if they reject advice. One should instead hope for reward by fulfilling their duty from Allah, the Exalted, by giving good and sincere advice to another. In addition, the one seeking advice should not ask for advice if they have already made their mind up beforehand, as this only opens the door for a potential argument if they seek someone's advice, only to reject it as it contradicts their predetermined choice. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.